Okay, today we are going to talk about how we create a works cited page. The very first thing you need to do on your iPad is make sure that you have gone to the web version of Google. Don't go to the Google Docs app. Go to the web version of Google. Once you have done that, you should be able to go to Google Drive and open a new Google Doc folder or file, right? So you've got your Google Doc. You don't have to do anything yet. You're going to use the tools bar at the top, and you're going to choose citation. You'll see it has little quotation marks next to it. When you hit that, it's going to open a sidebar that's going to help you create citations. You want to make sure that you have MLA 8th edition chosen. That is the type of citations that we use in Wayzata for language arts. When you're ready to create, you're going to go to Add Citation Source. For most of you, you're going to be choosing a website, and you're going to say you accessed it by website. You'll see there that you get a little box where you can put your URL in. So I'm going to go and just search back over something that I have used. So screen time and teen mental health. This is the article from the World Health Organization that I used. So I'm going to open it. I'm going to copy the URL, and then I want to make sure that I go back to my document. In here, search with URL, I'm going to paste it. I'm going to search, and it's doing its magic. You'll see it comes up with all this information. It says it has missing contributors. I'll be able to add anything in that's missing if necessary, but I'm going to hit continue down on the bottom. There is no author for this article, so I can skip that. It'll tell me when it was published, when I accessed it, the web address, all of those things, and I'm going to say add citation source. And now you'll see over here, it's given me this citation that I might want to use. I'm not going to do anything else yet. I'm going to add another of my citations. It's still a website. I still access it by the website. I go back to my Google and I look for my other source. You might have bookmarked it already, but I didn't, so I have to just search mine every time. And my second one was this one, was excessive screen time and mental health issues that I wanted to use. Nope, I lied. Well, we'll use that one, I guess, just for our purposes today. I'm going to copy and paste that back into my search the URL. I'm going to search it. It's there. Add my citation source. You'll see that my first one is still there, and now I've added my second one. Once I have all three of my sources, or 4 or 5, or however many you're going to use, I'm going to go down here and I'm going to insert my works cited. I can do this at any time, but it's better to do it when you've got them all in there, because then you don't have to do any copying and pasting. So I'm going to insert my works cited. You will see it has already done all the formatting for me. It says works cited at the top, and you've got your correct indentation. It puts it in alphabetical order, so you don't have to do anything else. If you add sources after this, you're going to have to make sure that you copy and paste them into the right alphabetical order. Now, this same place, this same tool, citations tool, is really helpful when you're writing your paper if you want to use in-text references. If you look over here on the citations on the side, if I have been typing a sentence and I'm like, oh, I used a direct quote from this source and I want to cite it, I just click this little button that says cite, and it will insert a correct citation from this source after what I wrote in my paper. So I don't have to do it by hand. It's a really handy tool that we can use for this. The other thing that might happen is you try to use this and it freezes up. In that case, you're going to want to go to another site called easybib.org. And if you go there, why won't it let me go to EasyBib? If I go to EasyBib, because it's easybib.com, not .org. So you go to EasyBib. This does the same thing. It just doesn't automatically put it on the page correctly. If you need to use this, you come up here, you go cite your source, create citation. You're going to do all the same things. You're going to click your website. You're going to put in the URL. That's one of the ones I just used. You click search. It's going to choose it for you. You'll choose site. And then you'll scroll down here and it's got all of the stuff. So I'm going to say continue. It'll tell me what I need to fill in if I'm missing it, but we may not have that information and you can just skip it as necessary. You'll complete your citation. It will source it right here. And then you can just copy it and paste it into your Google Doc as necessary if you have to use this site. The hard thing about EasyBib is sometimes it only lasts for 24 hours. You only get access for a few times. Then you just have to watch a short ad video and it'll give you access for a couple of days. You just do that every once in a while and it'll allow you to keep using it. So if that's the case, you would copy and paste your source into here, back into your Works Cited. If you have any questions, you can ask Mrs. Marcoulier or Mrs. Johnson and we can help you. But this is all available to you on Google as long as you log in, find the Google website and not the Google Docs app. Hope that helps.